Hello, everyone. It's time for a treat. There are two big stories about Elon Musk and his company XFA in tonight's news that will be widely reported tomorrow. According to the Wall Street Journal, investors close to Musk are excited about the company. It raised $3 billion, which would make it worth $18 billion, and it only started in July of last year. But there's more to this story than that. Elon Musk shared on X that Tesla will finally show off its long-awaited self-driving taxi on August 8th. The news sent Tesla stock prices up after hours. Elon Musk, founder and CEO of electric car company Tesla, posted a vague message on social media yesterday saying that the company might be launching an autonomous taxi service this summer. Musk's post on X just read, quote, Tesla robotaxis will be shown off on 88. Some experts say Musk's plan for a self-driving taxi is a risky bet, even though he has talked about it for years. Cruise and W have both been testing their cars on public roads for years. Phil Lau, John, we now have a date for the unveiling of the robotaxi. Yes, Elon Musk has said that there will be a robotaxi and that he plans to reveal it on August 8th. He only said that on X, though, and he didn't say when it might be used. Elon Musk said that the robotaxi would be unveiled on August 8th. Now the rumors can begin about what that might include. In today's video, we have some exciting news to share. Tesla has officially unveiled their much-anticipated robotaxi. We'll be breaking down all the details for you, from talking about the implications of Tesla's latest announcement to answering your burning questions about FSD and the future of autonomous driving. Buckle up, because we're going to go deep into the woo. Thank you for reading about Tesla stock. Let's get right to it. The internet went crazy when Elon Musk announced that Tesla's robotaxi would be unveiled on August 8, 2024. This shocking news came right after a jaw-dropping Reuters article, making it one of the craziest days in wrecked Tesla history. Because there was so much competition in the Chinese electric vehicle market, Tesla shelved their plans for a cheap car. But wait, a post on X said that Tesla had shelved those plans, citing writers. But wait, there's more. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, quickly shot down those claims and called writers out for spreading lies. For all you Tesla fans out there, this is a warning. This day has probably felt like a long time coming. Since 2016, almost 8 years ago, Tesla has been working hard on their dream of self-driving cars. Now, in 2024, they're finally ready to pull back the curtain and show the world what their self-driving cars can do. Robotaxi looks like. This has huge consequences, but let's try to explain it in as few words as possible. It will be hard, but we'll do our best. Stay tuned until the end. There will be Q&A. If you're watching live, leave your ideas in the comments. Now, let's talk about a post from Sawyer Merritt. Elon seems to have called out Reuters in his post, but Sawyer thinks there's more to it than that. He says that Tesla's $225,000 car and the robotaxi were always part of the same plan. They may be putting more effort into the robotaxi, but that doesn't mean the $25,000 car is going away. Elon's vague answer with the eyes emoji suggests that there's more to the story. On that note, it looks like Elon and the Tesla team were under a lot of pressure to make this robotaxi announcement, especially after that shocking news from Reuters. It really shook up the stock market, but don't take this as financial advice. The stock dropped when Reuters' article came out, but it shot back up when Elon debunked it, and it went even higher when the news about the robot taxis came out. It was a very bumpy day, and Tesla's stock was up by a solid 4.17% after hours, so it's clear that the bombshell that Reuters dropped had some serious ripple effects. It looks like Tesla had to spill the beans earlier than they had planned, especially about their robotaxi project. This whole ordeal made them feel the heat, which raised questions about their growth and performance. At the heart of the matter is Tesla's supposedly affordable Model 2, which starts at $225,000. People panicked because they thought Tesla's growth was stopping. But wait, there's more to this story. Tesla has two cars in this race, the Robotaxi and the Gen 3 platform small car. Let us break down the Robotaxi. It's like Tesla is entering the big leagues and wants to be like Airbus and Boeing in terms of self-driving cars. Imagine a ride that can be changed to fit the needs of fleet managers. It's not like most things businesses that want to buy a fleet of robotaxis could pay millions of dollars up front. But what about that small car? Well, contrary to what readers said, it's not dead in the water. Tesla is just reorganizing their resources and doubling down on their self-driving technology thanks to FSD V12. This is making a lot of noise. Imagine a ride that drives itself, cutting costs by a huge 50 to 80%. On the other hand, let's talk about why Tesla isn't talking about that $25,000 compact car that Reuters said was killed. First, it's a game changer. Just look at the Cybertruck with its 2 million reservations or the Model 3 back in 2017 with 500,000. A $25,000 Tesla should get ready for an impact. How does the business work? I want to know a bit more about it because I want to buy a car that picks up and lets off people while I work instead of parking in my lot. Who makes the money from that? I assume that's the value add you're talking about. Is it a revenue share? Have you thought about how this model would work for a while? Yes, it has. The owner of the car would make a certain amount. I don't know what it would be, but it could be a 50-50 split or $7,030. If you buy a Tesla car, it can only be used in a Tesla network. If it can be used 5 times as much, Tesla is likely to make about 2 or 3 times the original value or sale price of the car. Okay, so it will bring in money, but here's the catch. If Tesla announced it now, people would wait to buy the Model 3 or Model Y until the price drops. Giving up sales of current products in favor of a future one is a classic example of the Osborne effect, and Tesla isn't ready to take that chance. So here's what we think will happen on August 8th. When Tesla shows off the Robotaxi, it gives us a sneak peek at how the small car will look. They'll talk up how safe, affordable, and customizable the Robotaxi is. And who knows, maybe Tesla will just stop selling cars and become its own fleet provider. Fast forward to late 2024 or early 2025 when the small car is ready. Tesla won't mess around with pre-announcements. They'll just put it on their website and make it easy to order right away. It's a smart move to keep the excitement going without losing steam. Imagine this happening as rules for self-driving cars become less strict in some areas. Tesla could change gears and let owners of small cars use their fleet as robotaxis. It's all about flexibility, and who knows, maybe they'll even offer a conversion kit to turn your small car into a robotaxi. Why the farthest? Well, Tesla's not in the business of idle production lines. They want to make millions of units a year, and with the cost of transportation going down thanks to self-driving tech, the demand will be huge. Skyrocket. Think what that would do to places where transport is hard to get to or costs a lot. It changes everything. Now let's talk about the big problem that nobody wants to talk about: doubt. The markets might not fully believe it until they see results, but for people who trust Tesla's track record and vision, this is a no-brainer. The signs are there, especially if you've been following the updates on FSD V12. Sure enough, the updates on the FSD make a lot of investors feel good about Tesla. But do you know who else shares this pro-Tesla optimism? That would be today's sponsor for Tesla Bulls and people who are always on the lookout for the next big thing in the stock market. Seeking Alpha's impressive growth isn't just something to watch from the sides. Seeking Alpha has everything you need to know about Tesla. Tesla stock price goals, Tesla innovation, and everything Elon Musk does. Avoid the negative talk about Tesla in the mainstream media. Seeking Alpha has the most news about Tesla than any other site on the web. If you click on one of the affiliate links in the description and then buy something, our channel may get a fee. Thanks for your support. Now for the details. It was smart to rent a Model 3 and keep it for a job as a robotaxi. Tesla has been quietly keeping leases for a while now, which could pay off big time. But here's the catch. Will Tesla handle their own fleet? It's not clear. On the one hand, it could be a huge moneymaker if they can automate cleaning and maintenance. On the other, it's a risk that could cost them a lot. Tesla is known for outsourcing tasks that aren't their main business, which is a tricky balance. Oh, let's not forget about wireless charging. It's a game changer for robotaxis, speeding up the process and cutting down on maintenance headaches. But there's a catch. It's not as efficient as plug-in charging. It's a trade-off, but if it saves time and trouble, it's worth it. Now for the million-dollar question. Even though there is still work to be done, FSD is getting better. Version 12.3 is as smooth as silk and has fewer bugs than its predecessor. There are still some issues to fix. The direction is looking good. When Tesla turns on Level 3 automation, the game changes. At Level 3, you can relax behind the wheel while the car does all the work, and that, my friends, is a game. Sure,